Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to take a look at those ionic components that are used to display an image onto the screen. So if you can see in this mini list here that says media, we have got some tags: ion avatar, ion icon, ion image and ion thumbnail. We are going to use ion thumbnail in our list in the upcoming videos. So let's start from ion thumbnail. Let me click here, and as we come to this place, ion thumbnail, let me just okay. So thumbnails are square components that usually wrap an image or icon. They can be used to make it easier to display a group. Okay, let's start writing some code inside our ion content. Ion thumbnail, and here is our ionic application that is running, and let me put inside it an image. As we can see from here in the Angular tab that we can put an image inside it, image source. So guys, again I would like to draw your attention inside ion thumbnail. See, ion thumbnail is an element, is a component that wraps an image. See, thumbnails are square components that usually wrap an image or icon. So what wrap means, that ion thumbnail doesn't provide a means to show an image all by itself. It actually wraps an element that displays an image. What does it mean? Let me give you an example. See, we have an image inside our assets. So if I want to display that image, what I should do, I should give it a source attribute and give the path to the product image. And let me just let us just go to our app and let me save it. And if I save it, nothing will happen, because ion thumbnail is not used to locate to an image. It is a wrapper element. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this source out of here, and we are going to use another element inside it, that it is going to wrap an element. So I will use an img with a source tag to display the image. Let me save it and see, here is the image. Here is the image that is displayed, that is wrapped inside an ion thumbnail. But actually this image is located by the img tag. So I think you got my point. Ion thumbnail is a square component that usually wrap an image or icon. So let's move forward. I hope you got my point. They can be used to make it easier to display a group of larger images or provide a preview of the okay, okay, we got it. Thumbnails can be used by themselves or inside of an element if placed inside of an ion item. Okay, here we have used thumbnail all by itself, not inside an ion item, and we can see how it displays on the screen. And I think we must place it inside an ion item to see how it behaves. If placed inside of an ion item, the thumbnail will resize to fit the parent component. To position a thumbnail on the left or right side of an item, set the slot to start or end. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let us make an ion item here and place this ion thumbnail inside it. I am not saving it, so now I will save it. I Control S, and okay, so we can see that now it is placed inside an ion item. And let me give it a slot. Let me first give it one more thing. Let us give it an label as well. When there are two things, then we can actually judge what is an ion slot start and end. Ion label. So we have got an thumbnail and an ion label, and let me give them slots. Slot end. If it is a slot end, it will be placed at the end of the item, and if I give it a slot of start, it will be placed before the iron label. Okay, now I think it is clear, it is very clear what does a slot means inside of an iron item. We can position elements either in the starting slot or in the ending slot by the property slot. What else has iron thumbnail has to offer? So guys, I think iron thumbnail is over, because it has got, the only thing is that iron thumbnail wraps up an image and displays a square portion on the screen. But is that the only thing that iron thumbnail does? I mean, there is one more thing, that is iron avatar. So let's look forward to as well. So avatars are circular components that usually wrap an image or icon. Okay, so let's do one thing, guys. Let's compare iron thumbnail and iron avatar. So this is our iron item. Let me just copy it. It will save some time and give us same effect. Avatar. Well, I am seeing it as avatar, you can say it as avatar as well. So whatever be the pronunciation. So let me save it and let's see the difference. Okay, so from this I can see that iron avatar is a bit smaller in shape, smaller in size, and its shape is round, while thumbnail is square in shape and larger in size comparatively. So is this the only difference between an iron avatar and iron thumbnail? I think with a lot of CSS we can control that as well. So guys, if there are two components that look visually the same, it doesn't mean they are actually the same. So I just want to take you to a different website than this, and let's search for thumbnail and avatar. Let's just go to Material.io, where I have read something about thumbnails and avatars. See, thumbnails. See, the thumbnails are small images that represent information in tight spaces. They typically act as step targets that lead to primary content, appearing with components like cards or lists. Okay, so what thumbnails actually mean is thumbnails give a small representation of a bigger thing. I mean, if there is a product list and if we want an image there, we should be using thumbnails, and that thumbnail will actually ask the user to tap it so that the user can be taken to a details page or to a list. See, here it is written: allude to more information, provide a peek at content on other screens, and assist in navigation. So whenever we want whenever we are designing our application and we want the user to be taken to a bigger screen on tapping on a small image, then that image must be put there with the help of iron thumbnail. And if there is one more thing, see, avatars. Avatars should focus on a subject using a simple background. They can represent a user or a brand. So guys, this thing is very important. The avatars can represent a user or a brand with a logo or branded graphic. If you are a mobile user and you have used WhatsApp or Hangouts or Google Chat, you can always see a left aligned icon of a person whose that WhatsApp chat or WhatsApp profile belongs to. So that small icon should be an avatar. So it must be used to show a brand or a person profile, a small part actually. I think you got what I want to say. So an avatar is rounded and it is smaller. Ion thumbnail is bigger and it is squared. But apart from this, there is a semantic difference between both of them. Ion avatar must be used to show a small image of a profile or a branded logo. Ion thumbnail must be used to show a big image into a smaller image that can ask the user for an action to tap on it and move to another page. So I think you got it. So let's go to Ion thumbnail once again. And I think apart from this is the React code, this is the Angular one. Apart from these, there is nothing much in Ion thumbnail, and we have done all those things. Slot we have studied, and we have placed an image inside it. That is done. And in an Ion avatar again, in the Angular, we have placed, see, in this Ion avatar is used inside an Ion chip, and besides an Ion avatar there is an Ion label used. So one more use for Ion label. So nothing much in Ion avatar as well. So guys, we have covered two things, Ion thumbnail and Ion avatar. Ion thumbnail is used to display something, and to be frank, if I say, the visual experience that it gives us, Ion thumbnail is a bit bigger as compared to Ion avatar. Ion thumbnail represents the information in a small compact size, and it asks, and it is generally used to ask user to tap on it and to be navigated to some other page, a description page, or to a list. Ion avatar on the other hand displays the profile information of some person or some branded logo, and Ion icon is all together different thing. And one more thing I want to tell you about this, not about Ion avatar or Ion thumbnail, it is about Ion image. If you can see here, we are using Ion img, and not well, there are two ways by which we can display an image inside an Ionic application. Let's cover this in another video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.